Answer pannalama sari. It's very significant that our Honorable Prime Minister is visiting Tamil Nadu on 23rd. It is not only BJP meeting, it's NDA meeting. And from that, NDA will take off its successful process and successful procedure for our 2026 election. And we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister, nearing the Pongal, nearing our auspicious Thai month, he is coming. In Tamil we say Thai Pirandal Vali Pirakkum. If the Thai dawns arise, the way will be opening. So we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister is visiting. And yesterday also, we are very happy that our Honorable Prime Minister participated in the Pongal festival and he talked about the Tamil culture, the pride of Tamil culture, and our Honorable Home Minister also participated in the Pongal. This is the first time all the central leaders have participated in the Pongal. I am asking during the UPA government, how many central ministers came to Tamil Nadu and celebrated Pongal? And how many times the Prime Minister celebrated Pongal? Even the DMK, part of the UPA, they were unable to make the Prime Minister to celebrate Pongal in the capital. They are unable to make the leaders to celebrate in Tamil Nadu. So this is the link between the cordial link between the central leaders, BJP leaders, and the Tamil culture, and there is a bonding between Tamil Nadu and central leaders, particularly our Honorable Modi ji.